Hello friends, Namaskar, Sasikal Salam, this is Amitkapoor. So guys, today I'm going to talk about foreign settlement. There is a three type of settlement in foreign. First one is PR, second one is work permit, and third one is traveling visa, And I already make a lot of video for foreign travels, but on your demand, a lot of people sending me the emails. They want to need about foreign PR or about foreign work permit in briefly. So I make this video again. So guys, today I am explain you if your first lord, fourth lord, the seventh lord, 12th lord, and your ninth lord plays in different houses, which kind of benefits you will get from foreign land. You may settle there or not. You can only travel there, or you may go for some time. You may spend some 1-2 months in foreign land. So first of all, I start from your first house. If your first house lord, yani ki your ascendance lord, is placed in your 8th house, is placed in your 9th house, is placed in your 12th house, you will surely settle in foreign land. I repeat this. If your first house lord, yani ascendance lord, placed in your 8th house, your 9th house or your 12th house, you will surely settle in foreign land. That is for sure. If your 9th lord is in first house or first lord is in 9th house, then there is a strong chances to settle in foreign land. If your 10th lord is in 12th house, then you will go with work permit. If your 4th lord is in 12th house in exalted position, for example, in Taurus ascendants, you have a 4th lord is a sun. Sun plays in 12th house in exalted ascendant, exalted sign, you will surely get PR. Start your career as a work permit, but slowly, if you apply for your PR, you will get PR because there are strong chances to settle in foreign land. And if you have a 4th lord of the Shah, then you will definitely get PR. I receive a lot of phone calls or appointments or emails. People are very much worried about when we get PR. Is there chances to get PR, or we can only work there and then we came back to India or go back to our hometown? So if you have a 4th lord Dasha and 4th lord plays in your 12th house, 9th house or 8th house, or 1st lord Dasha plays in your 12th house, 8th house or 9th house, you will definitely get PR. If any combination between 1st lord and 10th lord plays in 12th house, you will definitely go with a work permit. If 7th house exalted with any planet and 7th lord plays in good position, 7th house lord played in 12th house, you will settle in foreign through marriage. Your life partner came from foreign land, you get married and you go with your life partner. If your 7th house lord placed in ascendance, for example, then you will surely get love marriage with a foreign girl or foreign wife. So guys, there's a different yoga in birth chart which represent foreign settlement. I saw a lot of people, they are going for foreign for work permit, but they are not settled there because they don't have strong chances for get PR. They have only chances for work permit, like if your 10th lord and 12th lord plays together, but 4th house is not damaged or moon is not damaged, then they are only travel, then they are settled for a years for work permit, like 2 year, 3 year, 4 year, 5 year, working in any recognized company, and they earn good money in dollars, and then they came back. Because 10th lord and 12th lord in conjunction in your birth chart, but 4th house is not damaged. If 4th house is damaged and 10th lord and 12th lord plays together in conjunction, you will definitely settle in foreign land through work permit. You enter in a foreign country through work permit, but you will be settled in foreign land as a PR after a few years. So guys, if moon is afflicted in your birth chart, for example, moon is close conjunction with Ketu, moon is close conjunction with Rahu, or moon plays in your 12th house, your 8th house, your 4th house, or your 4th house is damaged, like is any two enemy planets plays in your 4th house, like Mars, Mercury plays in your 4th house, or Saturn, Rahu plays in your 4th house, or Sun, Rahu plays in your 4th house, you will definitely settle far away from your birthland. So guys, you need to check which type of placement in your birth chart. If your first lord is in 12th house and 12th lord is in first house, mutual change of 2 planets, you will surely settle in foreign land, you will get PR, and your whole life will spend in foreign land. You are not born for your motherland, you are born for foreign country. Or if your first lord plays in your 12th house and 12th lord plays in your 8th house, then again great chances to settle in foreign land. and you will get PR, you will easily settle there. There's a strong chances, and you will get benefit from foreign land. You know, guys, there's a lot of birth chart which I seen. People sometimes travel to think about this. Yes, I want to settle and earn some money, but her or his fortune are not favor, so they face lot of struggle in foreign land. They're not settled, they are doing a small job, and they're not settled, and after a few years they came back in our country after spending a lot of money, and they are under debts. So guys, you need to know which type of planet you have. Is your planet benefited for foreign settlement? Then you go for foreign. If your planet are not benefited from your foreign settlement, then why you waste your money and time? So guys, I saw a lot of birth chart. Believe me, I have an experience of 20 years of astrology. I saw birth chart. If 4th house is damaged, I'm telling you again and again, and moon is also damaged in your birth chart, and 9th lord plays in 12th house, or 12th lord plays in 9th house or 8th house, you have definitely foreign settlement, especially PR. So if you have a Mahadasha of 8th house lord, of 12th house lord, or 1st house lord plays in 12th, and you have a Mahadasha of Lagan lord which is placed in your 12th house, you will definitely get PR. If you have a 9th lord Mahadasha, you will enter through study visa in foreign land, and slowly you will get PR if your 9th lord plays in 12th house, or your 9th lord plays in your 4th house. If any connection of like 8th, 9th or 12th house lord plays with your 4th house, then you will definitely settle in foreign land with PR. So guys, before taking any major decision, because you know travel or settlement in foreign is not an easy task for everyone, because everyone is lot of suffering if you are not settled easy. I saw a lot of people calling me from there. They don't have job, they don't have even food they don't have money to buying food. So you don't be in this situation. I would suggest you should analyze your birth chart nearest your astrologer. He will guide you which planet is good for you, which year, which month is good for you to settlement in foreign land. Is foreign settlement work for you in your birth chart or not? Is your motherland, your birth land is good for you, or abroad settlement is good for you, right? Or in which year if you are travel in foreign land, you will get fantastic results. So you need to know everything. Don't take any major decision without any consultancy with any astrologer. I'm not talking about you can consult with me. You can consult with any astrologer, because every astrologer is a great counselor. So guys, must check your birth chart. If there is a foreign settlement in your birth chart, you should go there. You will settle easily. If you don't have any settlement in foreign chart, if you don't have any settlement in foreign land in your birth chart, then you don't waste your time or money. Keep watching my videos. I am praying for your happy future. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam, Jai Hind.